on to duties. I'm waiting for Liam's school to dismiss so I can pick him up. I can collect him, take him home. So my drivers called out this morning, both of them. So I'm looking for a new one because I need to have a backup. I thought 2 was enough, but I just realized that if 2 calls out, what am I going to do? And then I had to go to the market by myself. Thank you.
Hallelujah.
How much for sweet potato? Give me 2 for him, please. How much the pine?
Fine, at 200.
How much? This is not giving rich. I need to recalibrate. This is absolutely unacceptable. I have to be doing my own meal prep. So this set of chicken is going to be stewed and air fried. This set is going to be curry. So we've got some chicken foot and some other pieces of chicken, like the bony parts. But this is crazy. Like, I'm going to fire my staff because there is no way I should be here doing my own meal prep. I don't even know how to use this. I just think I remember how she kind of like used some of these things. So that's what I am trying. I hope it comes out well. Wish me luck, guys. So a lot of you would have seen my videos, my short videos, if you haven't seen them, like on Instagram or YouTube shorts, talking about how I'm rich. And of course, you know, rich people don't mention being rich. People just know and people see. But that's the thing, and that's why my content is so unique, because you don't have enough wealthy people coming out. The people who are coming out and saying that they're rich, they're really not rich. They're just pretending, or they're just trying to fit into something, that they're into a mold. But when I say I'm rich living in Jamaica, this is it. Okay, so now you found someone who is actually wealthy living in Jamaica, and there are many of us, but lots of people chose not to disclose it. Like, I had mentioned that I picked some sweets up, put them down to ripe, and voila, we get some sweet sap. Hey, me tell us them sweet. If you haven't seen that short video, them nice mangoes are coming out on the tree. We can go around the back and pick sour sap leaf to make tea. We can pick mint. I can pick lemongrass. It smells so good. When I tell you that I'm rich, I mean it. Like, I am not capping. No cap. My richness, eat and leave no crumbs. Why? There are too much young people. I not do it. I not think I can manage it. Really and truly, if we focus on the positive side of living in Jamaica, we know so we're rich. Come here, tell us, say, the level of freedom, I mean, there are many challenges, but then imagine being able to go down by the river now when it is snowing in other countries. Like, if that's not rich, I don't know what is. If that's not rich, my darling, I don't know what is. Don't mind the local one pot holder on our back there, so it's just part of the rich life, isn't it? Part of richness is that we sweat a lot, you know. Cause time hot. I'm gonna turn on the AC them yet. Yeah, but a real thing, man, if we focus on the positive, if you have traveled, you will see how much of a difference it makes to be able to get your, I mean, organic stuff overseas is so expensive, and you don't necessarily have the yard space to plant anything. We have that. We will eat something and just throw the seed out the door and it just grow. This is Jamaica. So I'm telling you, I'm rich. I know say a long time I haven't done a video. Hi, welcome to the One Big Irie family. For those who just joined and subscribed, I see you. New subscribers, big up on yourself. Enough respect. And to my oldies but goodies, you don't know the thing. No respect up the large with the large and in charge. And I don't know, yeah, alright, that's so. I couldn't know say, and I like some I want to do a video, but I don't want to do any video because I feel compelled to do videos. I want to feel inspired, and recently I haven't been inspired to do any videos. I think I've been too tired with work and dealing with different things. Okay, just let's call it dealing with different things, because one of these days I'll give story time of working as a teacher in Jamaica. Alright, so get back to the point. Yeah, I just want to do videos where I am, when I'm inspired, and it's something that somebody would want to watch, not just what I want to share. I've got a few ideas, so I'll be putting more videos out there, more long forms. I've been putting shorts like almost every day or every week, but in terms of long form videos, I will be putting out more. So thank you for sticking and staying, and thank you for being patient with me, for the few of you who watch my videos, and for the few who will be watching, because I'm still believing that my channel will grow, where the viewership is so much better than it is now. But I give thanks for those who are already watching. Yeah, so I guess that's it for this video. It's gonna be a short one. Yep, I'll see you in the next one.